Hello, this is Chris Roshnet, 24K on Twitter. Today we'll be unboxing and taking a look at the Razer Platinum portable charger for the MacBook from myCharge. This is a 13,400 milliamp battery that offers a 36 watt USB Type-C power delivery output. See, power delivery right there. So this shows you that you can actually charge a smartphone and your MacBook at the same time. The USB Type-C port, like I said, offers 36 watts of power delivery output. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the actual battery itself. There we go. So here is the actual battery itself. You get the USB Type-C charging cable right here, so that's nice to include that. It's a nice short cable. And this is the actual battery. So this offers the output and input for the USB Type-C at 36 watts, and then you get an additional USB Type-A output for charging an additional device. So we like that it's covered in this anodized aluminum, and it's metal, so it should stay good for quite a while. And this is to charge your MacBook to full in about 100 minutes. This is from a company called myCharge. You can find this battery and many others on their website or on Amazon.com. Thank you.